Merhabalar sevgili dostlar. Dün Edirne cezaevinde Selahattin'le görüştüm. Sağlığı ve morali gayet iyiydi. Sizlere selam ve sevgilerini iletmemi istedi. Selahattin şu anda belki kilometrelerce uzakta, dört duvar arasında bir hücrede olabilir. Ama kalbinin şu anda benimle birlikte bu salonda heyecanla attığını hissediyorum.
Okay. So, dear friends, dear comrades, yesterday I met with Selahattin in prison. His health was fine and his morale high. He asked me to extend his love and greetings to you. Selahattin is in prison, in a prison cell among four walls, perhaps thousands of kilometers away, but I can feel his heart is beating with excitement in this hall with me right now.
Ona buradan seslenmek istiyorum. Ömrüm yettiğince senin bu haklı mücadelende bütün gücümle yanında olmaktan gurur duyacağım. Umuyorum ki sen ve haksız yere cezaevinde olan tüm tutsaklar en kısa sürede özgürlüklerine kavuşacaklar. Bir mesaj gönderdi. Onu da şimdi Halkların Demokratik Partisi Genel Başkan Yardımcısı Hişyar Özsoy sizlere iletecek. Teşekkürler tekrar.
And Selahattin actually wrote a letter addressed to you, and that letter will be now read by Deputy Co-Chair of HDP, Mr. Hişyar Özsoy, who is myself. Dear comrades, let me start by expressing my love and warmest regards to each and every one of you who came together from different parts of the world to look for ways to grow the struggle for a better, freer, more democratic and more dignified life. I would like to congratulate you for your efforts to develop democratic alternatives against the current neoliberal capitalist order that is built upon systemic and unlimited exploitation of nature, labor and culture. I am confident that you will succeed. International cooperation and solidarity is vitally important in the face of incredible insanities of the existing order that threatens human life in its entirety. The task for socialists, social democrats and all other progressive forces is to find creative solutions to wars, displacements, destruction of nature, massacres against women and children, all kinds of racism, gender discrimination, unemployment, poverty, merciless terrorism, targeting civilians, and many other burning problems. I am sure you will have radical debates, make brave decisions, and take effective steps. Please know that my heart is with you, even if I am in a prison cell. I am very delighted that despite your heavy and busy agenda, you honored me by not forgetting tens of thousands of political prisoners in Turkey, including myself. I have no doubt that the tens of millions of people who are resisting against increasing oppression in Turkey will win the fight for democracy, sooner or later. Such meaningful act of solidarity from dear friends like you surely adds to our hopes and courage. As people who truly believe in democracy, human rights and freedoms, we are committed to maintaining our peaceable struggle with our party, the HDP, and other opposition forces. I am being prosecuted with 122 separate investigations that demand thousands of years of prison sentence for the speeches I had made during the 12 years when I was a member of parliament and then the co-chair of a political party. In reality though, there is absolutely no legal basis for these prosecutions. I have been in prison since 4 November 2016 as a political hostage. HDP's former co-chair, Ms. Figen Yüksekdağ, 7 other former members of parliament, dozens of Kurdish mayors, and thousands of political prisoners are in the very same situation. They are all political hostages. Despite all kinds of oppression and without compromising with our principles and values. We are fighting against tyranny to the best of our ability. Our courage in this fight comes from the hopes and demands of our oppressed people for a free and dignified life. That is why I would like to dedicate this award with which you honor me to all the peoples of Turkey, first and foremost to the resistant Kurdish and Turkish peoples. And I would like to accept this award on behalf of all political prisoners in Turkey, women political prisoners in particular. I want to thank you again for your powerful solidarity, and I wish you success in your struggles. With the wish to see you in a free future, I salute you with my warmest regards. Please extend my regards to wherever you go. I promise that we will continue with our resistance and we will win by all means. Selahattin Demirtaş, Edirne High Security Prison.
So, dear friends, with this, the Progressive Alliance Convention is hereby closed or ended for the day. I invite